Bro, last night something crazy went down. I was lying in bed, lights off, and suddenly my mind just switched on, like, yo, we up now. Every mistake, every fear, every what if came rushing in like a whole damn storm. My heart started racing. I stared at the ceiling thinking, why does my brain pull this stuff at night? FR. So I tried something new, I whispered. I chill. One thought at a time. Then I took this slow, deep breath and picked just one worry to deal with. Not all of them, just one dot, and bro, that tiny move felt like someone hit the mute button in my head. That's when it hit me. Overthinking doesn't stop when life gets easy. It stops when you step up and control your mind one breath, one thought, one moment at a time.